Acuity Scheduling streamlines appointment management for businesses. First, create a customizable booking page with your services, pricing, and availability. Embed this page on your website or share a direct link. Key settings include time zones, buffer times between appointments, and blackout dates. Next, integrate your calendars such as Google Calendar, Outlook, or iCal for real-time synchronization. This prevents double bookings, ensuring accuracy by reflecting all changes instantly. Remember to test the integrations thoroughly to confirm everything is working as expected. Acuity Scheduling enables seamless payment processing through integrations with popular gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and Square. You can set up payments during booking, offering flexible options for deposits, packages, or subscriptions to suit different client needs. Ensure PCI compliance for security, protecting sensitive payment information with industry-standard encryption and protocols. Customize invoices with your branding and automate reminders for unpaid bookings to improve cash flow and client communication. Take advantage of client profiles for repeat bookings, storing preferences and history for personalized service. Use custom intake forms to collect detailed client information before appointments, improving preparation and service quality. Enable notifications to stay informed about bookings and use analytics to track conversion rates for optimization.